Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the My Soundbar. So first let's have a look at the box and then we'll have a look at the main product itself. So without any further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. So over here, as you guys can already see the soundbar branding. Now let's turn it around. Nothing over here. So as you guys can see over here, My Soundbar written over here. Let me get it a bit closer. So over here you can see the My Soundbar branding, and you can see the options that you get, how to connect it. So the one is Bluetooth, aux-in, light-in, SPIDF and optical. So these are the 5 options that you get to connect to your soundbar. So let's see the pricing over here. So the pricing is 5,999 rupees. That's 6,000 rupees approximately. And it shows over here the outline of the soundbar, as you guys can see. So now let's unbox it. So it's really packed very well, as the soundbar is in between the thermocol, and here you get the My Soundbar installation guide, how to connect it and how to install it. So that's all. Let's keep this aside, and now let's remove the main product. So with so here you get the cable to connect it if you have an old TV, and these are the screws to fit it in the wall. If you don't want to keep it, you just want to hang it on the wall, so that's what you can do. This is the power brick to power the soundbar. So this soundbar is, so let's see what's in the box. So nothing else. So let's keep this box aside. So this is the soundbar. So first let me show what it is and what you get on the soundbar. So on the, as you see in the front, here is the meshing cloth that it is. Inside there is the grill and the woofers and the speakers. On the top here are the 5 buttons to choose between the modes which you are going to set it up with. Here is the power to increase and decrease the volume. Over here you get the My branding. On the bottom you get 3 rubberized grip, so it doesn't move when you put it on the ground or on your table. So on the back side you get this connection. So this is the main power key. Over here you get the 3.5mm jack to connect directly with your phone, and this is the old connection if you know, if you have old TV. This is the optical cable, and this is where the soundbar gets its charge. And if you want to hang it, here are the hooks, so you just have to put it on the wall and hang it. So that's what you get in the box. So now let me just connect it and get back to you guys. So I just finished setting it up. So it's really very easy. Just put the power brick into the wall and put the other end into the soundbar, and just put the main switch on from both the side, from the power outlet and from the soundbar, and just press the Bluetooth button over there, and it will automatically start showing it on your mobile device and your Bluetooth section. So now let's play now I'm playing a few songs on it, which are royalty free, and then I'll play a few other songs. So this is just the, I think, the 50% volume. So the sound is pretty good, and the bass is also really very nice. I really have to shout so that you guys can hear my voice. Amount that you're spending on this soundbar and the sound output that you're getting it is pretty nice. At this price range and this sound quality, it's really amazing, and it's really hard to find soundbar at this price range and at this good sound quality and bass. It doesn't have that great bass compared to the other Bose and Sennheiser brands, but it is really good enough to give a competition to the JBL soundbar, and it's really nice. So let's play some other song. Let me just find it. So according to me, the price range and the price that you're spending on this soundbar is really nice, and the quality that you're getting it. So I think it's really worth it spending the 6,000 bucks on this soundbar, and it's pretty good if you're just buying the soundbar for the first time. So go and I think you can spend that 6,000 wisely on this, and without any doubt you will be happy with the quality and the product that you will be getting over here. It is just lacking a few things in it. So that's the HDMI cable, which is like you get in all the modern soundbar and the speakers. And the thing that is the good is that without even the subwoofer, this soundbar gives you a really nice bass. And that's all guys for the unboxing and the overview of the my soundbar. Let me know how you feel about this, if you have already got it or planning to get it. If you have any questions regarding it, please comment in the section down below. I'll be there to answer you guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned until the next video. Thank you guys.